I'm shooting with the gimbal, but EIS is on, and I'm going to take a small walk. Now, my stride is going to bounce in my feet, vibrate into the camera, and my hand is going to go up and down, but it's actually like this as I'm walking. Am I jittering? That is the question. Now let's top this all off by putting on a light. I'll put a light towards me. I'm holding it in my hand, and I'm at 4K 24 frames per second with Rocksteady Plus. The thing I can do right now is take Rocksteady off and just use the gimbal. I have Rocksteady off, and it's just 4K 24. I'll write the settings down in the description so I can make it clear. I'm doing the same walk, and I'm holding the gimbal like so. And what I'm going to do is turn a light on, and you can see how nice and smooth I am. Video. I do apologize if I wasn't on me and my hands were shaking a little, but I tell you, you need to have a light. The light is the importance indeed. The street lamp doesn't do justice, but there is no jitter. I hope you enjoyed this test, a real quick test indeed. Have a great day.